If Firefox is not opening on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through two simple fixes that can get it working again fast. This issue is usually caused by Firefox running in the background after a crash, or by Windows silently blocking the app from launching properly. The good news is that both of these fixes are quick, beginner-friendly, and you can do them in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and software fixes. Now let's jump right in. The first thing we want to do is make sure Firefox is not already running in the background. Sometimes Firefox crashes, but the process stays active, and because of that, a new window will not open even when you click the icon. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see everything properly. Then go to the Processes tab and look for anything that says Firefox. You may see one or more Firefox processes listed there. If you do, right-click each one and choose End Task. This forces Firefox to close completely and clears any stuck background activity. After ending the task, close Task Manager and try opening Firefox again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem immediately. If Firefox still will not open, the next method is to rename the Firefox executable file. This sounds simple, but it can be surprisingly effective because it forces Windows to treat the app differently and may bypass a silent block that is stopping it from launching. To do this, go to your Firefox shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click the Firefox shortcut, then choose Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where Firefox is installed. Inside that folder, find the file called Firefox.exe. Now right-click Firefox.exe and choose Rename. Change the name to something else, like fire.exe or fox.exe. Just make sure you are changing the file name, not deleting anything. Once it has been renamed, double-click the new file name to launch Firefox. If it opens successfully, that means the renamed executable helped bypass the issue. If Firefox opens after that, you can use the renamed file as a temporary workaround until the issue is fully resolved. You may also want to create a new shortcut for easier access later. To do that, right-click the rename file, choose Show More Options if needed, and then select Create Shortcut. You can move that shortcut to your desktop for quick access. This makes it much easier to open Firefox without going back into the program folder every time. Just to recap, if Firefox is not opening on Windows 11, the first thing to try is ending all Firefox processes in Task Manager. If that does not work, go into the Firefox installation folder and rename Firefox.exe, then launch it again. One of these two fixes usually solves the problem for most users. If neither one works, the next step would be to reinstall Firefox or check for Windows security settings that may be blocking it. I hope this video helped you get Firefox running again on Windows 11. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.